Welcome to AWS Lambda 101, where we will cover everything you need to know about AWS Lambda. Lambda is a powerful compute service offered by Amazon Web Services that allows you to run your code without having to manage servers. In this video, we will cover all the basics of AWS Lambda, how it works, and how it can be used to build scalable applications. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that allows you to run your code in response to events, such as changes to data in an Amazon S3 bucket or a request to an Amazon API gateway endpoint. With AWS Lambda, you don't have to worry about provisioning or managing your servers, as AWS takes care of this for you. Instead, you can focus on writing your code, and AWS will automatically scale and manage the infrastructure needed to run your code. AWS Lambda supports a wide range of programming languages including Java, Python, Node.js, and more. Once you have written your code, you can upload it to AWS Lambda and you can create a Lambda function. You can then configure the function to trigger it in response to events, and AWS Lambda will automatically run your code when event occurs. One of the key benefits of AWS Lambda is its ability to scale automatically. When your application receives a sudden surge in traffic, AWS Lambda will automatically scale up the number of compute resources needed to handle the load. This makes it an ideal solution for building scalable and event-driven applications. AWS Lambda is easy to get started with, and you can use the AWS Management Console to create and manage your Lambda functions. The console provides a range of tools for testing and debugging your functions, and you can monitor the performance of your functions using AWS CloudWatch. AWS Lambda can be integrated with other AWS services like Amazon S3, Amazon API Gateway, AWS Step Functions. This allows you to build complex event-driven architectures that can be triggered by a wide range of events. So whether you are building a simple microservice or a complex event-driven application, AWS Lambda provides a powerful and flexible platform for running your code. With AWS Lambda, you can focus on writing your code while AWS takes care of the rest. So thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you found the content valuable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.